Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoom to HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Zoom to HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. On the Integrations dashboard, click on App Marketplace. In the search bar, once the Zoom app appears, click on its listing to open the details page. On the Zoom app page, click the Connect App button. You will be redirected to the Zoom login page. Enter your Zoom credentials and click Sign In. If prompted, authorize HubSpot to access your Zoom account. After authorization, you'll be taken back to HubSpot. Next, configure your Zoom settings in HubSpot. Choose the options that suit your needs for meeting and webinar registration. Review the settings carefully to ensure they align with your workflow. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. Now, navigate back to your HubSpot dashboard. To test the connection, create a new meeting in HubSpot. Select Zoom as your meeting tool during the meeting setup. Fill in the meeting details and click Save. Finally, check your Zoom account to confirm that the meeting has been created successfully. You have now successfully connected Zoom to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.